Hello, happy bank holiday. Yeah, you're all away, no doubt, and I'm not. Quite getting used to it by now. Right, I started building the two single chairs. Them. Uh, I did. I filmed it right from scratch, like I did with the top bunk, and I messed up. I thought it were recording, it weren't. I took a picture. Yeah, so all that naffing and faffing, and I didn't get anywhere. Anyway, what I've done is this. Uh, just basically two box sections really, because obviously you don't need them on this side and that side. That there's just a shadow, not wet. So I thought same. Anyway, yeah. Drop out vent there, which is going to come very handy because I'm going to be having the Chinese heater in here, puffing hot air that way, and I might even put one that way to keep little tooties warm while I'm having my breakfast. Right. So yeah, I've had to stop because my battery's kaput. Right, so yeah, like I say, all it is an L shape. That piece there is just to measure the width and then get it upright. Yeah, so I think it looks okay. I was gonna make these back to 36 by putting a piece in there. I'm smoking again. Anyway, I don't smoke this much really, It's just when I'm filming. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to put a piece in and then drag it across. I marked it and it was there. But even when I stand there, if I put my feet just like that, not like that, like that, I still say it's not wide enough. But like I say, it's only for me and Sandra. These two here, obviously for dining. What I'm going to do once my battery's charged is put a strengthener there, a good strengthener and a good strengthener down there, but on both sides. The lats off the bed that was here, I'm going to work it out, right. Here I'm going to have to get some extra lats because when I made these equal, I think they were 24-inch each. This was just too narrow. It really was. And these were too wide. So I've took an inch off. So these here now are too wide for them lats. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to build a box section there because I'm going to have some wires. Obviously there's going to be 12 volt coming in from my heater. And I'm going to bring the 240 over here. Or in fact I might take it out. Well, I can't because of the bloody heater, can I? Yeah, I can take it that way, can't I? Take it that way, along there, underneath the box section, underneath there. Right, now I've been told that you cannot put wire, any type of wire, in the gas bottle locker. My gas bottle is under there, but access from outside. So, what I'm going to have to try and do is drill, I don't know what I'm going to do. Any suggestions, anybody? Because like I say, underneath here, I wanted a socket up here. Oh, I'll tell you what I'll do. No, I've got it. Yeah, in fact, I've mentioned it before, I think. I'm stupid. Idiot. Right, I'm going to come along here with wire and then go through there. And I'm going to have a double socket there. Yeah, like I say, we've got a double socket there then. There's a double socket there, but that is going to be, which it is, for the Carver Cascade 2 fuse switch box. And if I get a charger, I still haven't decided yet whether a solar panel or charger. Comments below. Yeah. So, yeah, it's coming to. I've been in for a couple of days because why haven't I been in? Oh, yeah, because I couldn't be arsed. Yeah. Right. So, once it's charged, I shall give you an update. Yeah, it don't matter about these because they're going to be carpeted. same as the floor. Yeah, right, I shall go now, people.